Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the Flying Mechanic, and today we're going to do a little review of a tool, a little budget tool made by Performance Tool. It's a 13-in-1 multi-tool. However, this is Electrician based, so I thought it'd be interesting to take a look at it. But here it names off the some of the tools it has on it: long nose pliers, wire strippers, wire cutters, coarse and fine file, a knife, slotted screwdrivers, Phillips screwdriver, awl, bottle opener, can opener, serrated blade, etc., etc. And these run anywhere from probably $14 to $18, depending on where you get it. But as you can see, it's folded up here, but when you open it, you have a nice set of wire cutters and stripping tool right along here that you would use to strip wires, and a little bit of a crimper here, and a little bit of a gripping edge here on the end. And the pliers are spring-loaded, which always makes it real nice. If you flip it over here, they also have a lock that you can put in place. And you want to do that when you go to close it, because it makes it just easier. It doesn't bind up on you or anything. Very lightweight. I don't know exactly what it weighs. They don't have the specs here, but not too heavy. I don't have my scale with me, or else I'd weigh it for y'all, but I just wanted to give y'all a view of it. Here you have your coarse and your slotted file. The slotted file here doesn't look all that great. This one is a little bit coarser. We also have a serrated blade here. Now, none of these are lock in place. They're all kind of slip joint, I guess. But you've also got your Phillips here. Like I said, they don't lock in place. So then we have a can opener and a bottle opener right here, which looks like they might be pretty functional and not too much of a hazard. But the tools are a little bit hard to get out, and when you go to open them, everything kind of comes out together. But you know, it's a cheaper multi-tool. Now here's your awl, but it looks like almost like a small blade, kind of in reverse to what your normal awls are. And you have your regular knife blade. See there again, you got everything coming out together. I checked it, it's reasonably sharp, you know, for a budget multi-tool. It will cut. You know, and you've got your slotted. See, these are hard to get out. Anyway, slotted screwdrivers, different sizes. You know, you got the small and the medium. And I guess their tools are okay, but Probably the biggest appeal for this would be the wire stripper cutter and crimping ability to have it in your hand for quick access. Maybe carry it on your belt or in your pocket. I mean, these work pretty good and do the job. They're, you know, the other tools are marginal as far as their functionality and, you know, I guess quality. You know, they may be okay for a backup tool, but I wouldn't want to rely on them. You know, Leatherman makes or used to make an E4. I haven't done a review on this, but this basically had all the same wire stripping ability of this, and this is a very good little tool. I've used it. It works really well. I don't carry it with me because it's part of my collection, so got a little rust on the blade here. You know, it's been around a little while. It's got a little Phillips here, and you know, a couple flat tips and a can opener, and you know, got a knife blade that works real well. You know, a couple little slotted screwdrivers here, but so, you know, if you can get your hands on one of these, they don't make these anymore. You'd have to go buy one used somewhere, but it works real well. And it's a little bit smaller, you know, in comparison, of course, you can see that. So just for a little pocket backup tool, you know, this works, but this works also. So anyway, I just want to show you this and give you an idea what it is and what it's about. But this is the Performance Tool 13-in-1 Multitool Electrician, and there's a part number up here if you want to look it up online, W86506. But you know, was this a tool for you? I don't know. Does it do what it's advertised to do when it comes to the plier head and the stripping ability and the wire cutting ability and the little crimper here? It works pretty good, you know, especially in like an automotive application or maybe a light industrial application. So is it worth the money? Well, I guess it depends on you, you know, what you need it for. I think for what it does, it's worth the money. You know, like I said, the tools here and the handle are I'd say marginal. I wouldn't want to rely on them for very much. They're good for maybe a backup, but the plier, the wire stripper head here, does its job. Similar to this little Leatherman. Not something you want to rely on if you're a electrician that makes his living, but if you want something handy to have around to do a little minor wire electrical work, either one of these would work well. So, you know, if you have any comments, if you've used one, if you've used something similar, you know, let us know if you like it, if you hate it, what the deal is. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys have a great day, and God bless. We'll see you on the next one.